Hello guys, another day, another gala na naman tayo. So dito, nagkaroon tayo ng quick rides going to Digos Hill, DRT Bulacan. So guys, samahan nyo ako sa aking adventure rides. Dito, meron tayong madadaanan na off-road bago tayo makarating sa destinasyon. Guys, ang binayaran ko 50 pesos per day tour plus 20 pesos per parking at kung mag-ooperate naman kayo 180 pesos.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Digos Hill, located in Barangay Talbak, Doña Remedios Trinidad, Bulacan, is a popular private-owned camping and hiking destination for its panoramic views of Sierra Madre. It serves as modern recreational spot and offering activities such as trekking, hiking, and overnight camping.
Nice.
Sobrang ganda ng tanawin, malamig ang simoy ng hangin, talagang marelax ka talaga. Okay. Sana nag-enjoy kayo guys sa aking adventure rides. Hanggang dito na lang guys, ride safe always. Dito, nagpapatunay marami ng vlogger ang nakarating sa lugar na ito. Kaya nagdikit na rin ako ng sticker for marking.